Claude AI versus Gemini. Which one is actually better for generating text, code, or creative ideas? Hey guys, in this video I'm going to compare Claude AI from Anthropic and Gemini from Google, so you can pick the one that fits your workflow best. Let's start with Claude AI. Claude is known for its strong reasoning, clear writing, and great performance with longer prompts. It's super helpful if you're drafting emails, writing code, or working through complex logic. It feels more like a conversation partner than just a tool. Perfect if you want something that really gets what you're asking. Now let's talk about Gemini. Gemini, especially Gemini Pro, is built by Google and trained on a massive amount of data. It's fast, powerful, and great at understanding context, especially for technical topics, research, or when you need up-to-date info. Since it's backed by Google, it's also improving quickly and already integrated into some of their apps. So which one is better? If you're doing deep thinking, coding, or long-form writing, Claude AI might give you cleaner, more thoughtful output. If you're looking for speed, scale, and real-time knowledge, Gemini could be your move. Both are awesome, just built for slightly different tasks. Let me know in the comments which one you use more. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.